Cenmate looked at people with random hard drives, SSDs, NVMe sticks, backup folders, and digital chaos. Then said, what if we put the whole storage drawer in one metal box? Meet the Cenmate Hybrid 2, 5/3, 5 Enclosure, a multi-drive storage dock made for people who have more drives than clean passwords.
I got you, homie!
Depending on the version, listings show support for 2 5/3, 5-inch SATA HDDs or SSDs, plus M2 NVMe SSDs with USB 3.2 connectivity and cooling fans. On paper, this thing is basically a storage buffet. Some Cenmate hybrid models support up to 2 SATA drives plus 3 M2 NVMe SSDs, while bigger versions list even more slots and very high total capacity claims. Translation: your old laptop SSD, backup hard drive, and I think this has my 2018 photos. Mystery drive can finally live in one place instead of hiding in a drawer like tiny data goblins. Now, user feedback is mixed but interesting. One Reddit HomeLab user said their Cenmate DAS let them access disks independently, hot swap one at a time, and get around 110 megabytes per second simultaneous reads, writes with standard 3.5-inch, 7,200 revolutions per minute drives. That is not NASA server room speed, but for basic backups, media storage, and HomeLab tinkering, it sounds pretty respectable. But hold up, wait a minute, something ain't perfect. Amazon UK shows one larger Cenmate hybrid model, around 3.8 out of 5 stars, with a small review sample, and Amazon NL shows mixed review snippets like great deal for the money, but also poor quality. That means this is not a blind buy storage miracle box. It is more like budget tech with potential, and budget tech always arrives with a tiny question mark wearing sunglasses. Final verdict: the Cenmate Hybrid 2, 5/3. 5 Enclosure is worth considering if you want one box for SATA drives, NVMe storage, backups, and HomeLab experiments. But check the exact model carefully, because Cenmate has several versions with different bay counts, RAID options, and capacities. Great idea? Yes. Plug and pray perfection? Not guaranteed. That's all about it.